Hey there, I'm back again with another interview questions which is on programming. So we need to remove the duplicates from the given string, okay? And to solve that, we'll use the two-pointer approach. That will reduce the time of execution, okay? So in the given input string A, B, C, C, D, we need the output A, B, C, D because B is repeated, C is repeated, okay? Now these values can be in any order, which is fine. We just need to remove the duplicates from it, okay? So to solve that, let's start with the two-pointer approach. So let's first create a string A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Now I'll convert it into char array. Char C equal to S dot to char array. Now I'll use a new string I need that will be two unique characters, not duplicate. I'll call it S2 equal to, initially it will be empty. Okay, now I'll use for loop int I equal to 0, I less than c dot length divided by 2 uh, I plus plus. Why I have used divided by 2? Because we are using two pointers. So first pointer will go from starting to middle, and the second pointer will go from end to the middle. Okay, that's why we are used length. Now I will use the first pointer. Let's define the second pointer. Int j equal to, we need c dot length, okay, minus I minus 1, just to avoid the index out of bounds for int. I have used minus 1. Okay, now I'll add a if condition. If a new string which is s2 dot index of, means if it is available, ci, if it is available or not, we just need to find. If it is not available, then we will append it in the new string. So s2 plus equal to c of I. Similarly, for the second pointer, we'll use index of c of j, and here it will be, okay, and at end we'll just print it system dot out dot println. So j goes from end to middle, and I goes from beginning to the middle, okay, and we are appending it. So let's see if it gives you the output, what is needed, and the unique value. So you can see A, G, B, F, C, E, D. No, none of the characters is repeated. Okay. So from this given input string, none of the characters, I have removed C, which was duplicate. Okay. Let's execute it one more time by duplicating D as well. So I should have only one value of D. You can see A, G. Okay. Uh, so that's how we solved the unique, you will find the unique characters of a given string using the two pointer approach. Two pointer approach is always good, and it saves a lot of time. So its time complexity will be O n by 2, and space complexity will also be less. Okay, we are iterating only half of the list, half of the length of the string. So if you have any question related to pointer approach, do write in the comment section. If you think the videos are helpful, do like the videos and subscribe to the channel.